science class. Awesome! Lots to learn. Yeah, that thing's cool, but if you want to make real waves, show them your other side. A true artist at work. So precise, so pristine, so muddy? Huh, who would have thought? Why go along for the ride? Don't just get a lift, get out there. Take the stairs, or a pipe. So get ready to put your true self in your selfies. And show the world the things you can really do. Who you really are. Unleash your other side.
Looks like you had a fun time this weekend.
Yeah, you did.